After months of anticipation, we've finally gotten our first glimpse at the Nothing Phone 2. Announced this morning, the Nothing Phone 2 is set to release later this summer, roughly a year after the launch of the Nothing Phone 1. The teaser image of the Phone 2 released by Nothing doesn't tell us much given how zoomed in it is. In fact, it's tough to tell what part of the phone we're actually looking at. The video posted to the Nothing Twitter account shows a small red light flickering on and off, but it's unclear which LED is on the phone's rear. Regardless of what the light ends up being, the Phone 1 hung its hat on its unique design, and the Phone 2 seems to be following its lead in that regard. The Nothing Phone 2 is also following the Nothing Phone 1's release timing. With the reveal of the cryptic teaser image, the London-based company confirmed that the Phone 2 will be launching in the summer. While it was expected that the Nothing Phone 2 would be coming roughly a year after the debut of the Nothing Phone 1, it was hard to know for sure what to expect given how relatively new Nothing is. If the Phone 2 launches in July, just as the Phone 1 did last year, it seems like we might be able to start expecting yearly releases for the Nothing Phone. While the launch of the Nothing Phone 1 was big for the company, it seems as if the Nothing Phone 2 is poised to be even bigger now that Nothing is starting to become a more established part of the mobile industry. And since the Nothing Phone 2 will have something major setting apart from the Nothing Phone 1, a full US launch. Nothing CEO Carl Pei has said in the past that launching the Phone 2 in the US is a major priority for the company, and now we'll be able to see just how big the Phone 2 can be in the US when it launches later this summer. In typical Nothing fashion, there's still a lot of mystery surrounding the Nothing Phone 2. However, it seems like we'll be getting plenty of answers sooner rather than later now that we know when to expect the phone to launch. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.